Pause for a second. Be honest with yourself. If your life stayed exactly the same for the next 5 years, same routine, same habits, same excuse, would you be proud? Most people don't fail in their 20s. They sleepwalk through them, scrolling, waiting, telling themselves, I still have time. That's the most dangerous lie. If you feel stuck, distracted, burned out, or quietly scared about your future, I see you. And this might be the wake-up call you need. Let's clear something up. You're not lazy, you're not broken, and you're not behind. You're overstimulated, under-directed. Your brain is flooded with notifications, short videos, easy pleasure, and zero pressure. Dopamine everywhere, purpose nowhere. Science shows this clearly. Too much instant reward kills long-term motivation. That's why you want to improve, but can't start. And the worst part? Watching others figure it out makes you feel smaller. But listen carefully. Feeling uncomfortable right now is a good sign. It means you haven't given up. So how do you stop wasting your 20s? Not with motivation, with control. Let me show you how. Your day is usually ruined before it even starts. Wake up, grab your phone, scroll just for 5 minutes. Suddenly it's 40. Your brain is already tired. Here's the fix. For the first 30 minutes after you wake up, no phone, no social media, no chaos. Instead, drink water, stretch your body, make your bed. This works because your brain needs order before effort. And do one thing that moves your life forward. Just one. Study one topic, walk for 10 minutes, write one page. Not impressive, but powerful. Small wins rebuild self-respect. Now let's talk about the real enemy. Procrastination isn't about time, it's about fear. Fear of failing, fear of looking stupid, fear of not being good enough, so your brain escapes. Here's the psychology trick. Shrink the task till your brain can't say no. Not study today, just open the book. Not go to the gym, just put on the shoes. Action comes before motivation. Always. Set a 25-minute timer, work, then stop when it rings. You'll either stop, and that's okay, or you'll continue. That's growth. Either way, you win. And listen, if you feel like everyone else is moving ahead while you're stuck, that quiet anxiety you feel, that's not weakness. That's your potential knocking. Most people destroy their future every night. They say, I deserve a break. Then they scroll for hours, sleep late, wake up tired, repeat. That's not rest. That's escape. Here's what actually works. Create an evening shutdown. Same time every day. Write tomorrow's 3 priorities. Put your phone away. Sit in silence for 2 minutes. This tells your brain the day is done. You're safe. Sleep improves. Focus improves. Life feels calmer. Discipline feels lighter. Now here's the mindset shift. Changes everything. Stop asking, do I feel like doing this? Start asking, what would my future self beg me to do right now? Your 20s aren't for comfort. They're for construction, building habits, building skills, building confidence. Comfort feels good today, but it charges interest. Discomfort hurts now, but it pays you back for life. Choose your price. One day, you'll look back at your 20s and you'll say one of 2 things. I used that time, or I wasted. You don't need to fix everything today. Just don't ignore the feeling anymore. Take one step, then another. You're not late. You're early if you start now. Your 20s are powerful. Don't sleep through them. If this video felt like it was talking to you, hit like. If you want guidance that actually helps you grow, subscribe. And if someone you care about needs this message, share it with them. We're just getting started.